Before we begin, a quick disclosure. The Systema.io link in the description is an affiliate link. If you use it to create an account or purchase a plan, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. That does not influence this review. I will share both the pros and the cons so you can make an informed decision. The Systema.io certification program. Is it worth it for coaches, speakers, and digital product creators? You can have a powerful message and still struggle to build the systems needed to deliver it. Many coaches, speakers, authors, and digital product creators are carrying ideas that could transform lives. They have the experience. They have the passion. They may even have an engaged audience. But between the message and the marketplace, there is often a technology gap. You need a website, a landing page, an email list, a sales funnel, a course platform, payment processing, automations, perhaps an affiliate program, community, webinar, or customer management system. Before long, your assignment becomes buried beneath subscriptions, integrations, passwords, and technical frustration. This is why the Systema.io certification program deserves attention. It is not simply another digital badge to add to your profile. It is an opportunity to understand how the different parts of an online business work together, and how to use one platform to manage many of them. The real question is not merely, can I become certified? The better question is, can this knowledge help me steward my message, serve my audience, and build a more sustainable digital business? Let us examine it honestly. What is the Systema.io certification program? The Systema.io certification program is a free, self-paced video course designed to teach users how to operate the platform from end to end. According to Systema.io, the program includes 28 training videos, knowledge tests after each section, and an official certificate after successful completion. It is reportedly the same core platform training given to members of the company's support team. There is no deadline, and learners can leave the course and resume where they stopped. The training covers the major features of the platform, including sales funnels and landing pages, websites and blogs, email marketing, marketing automation, online courses and memberships, payment processing, affiliate management, customer relationship management pipelines, webinars, and other advanced features. Most learners are expected to complete the course and assessments in approximately 5 to 10 hours, although the actual time will depend on their familiarity with the platform. A free Systema.io account is sufficient to access the certification training. That combination makes the program accessible. There is no certification fee, no fixed schedule, and no requirement to purchase a premium subscription before beginning. But accessibility alone does not make a program valuable. Value is determined by what you can do with what you learn. Why this certification matters? Certification does not create greatness in you. It can, however, help you develop the competence required to express that greatness more effectively. Your message deserves more than inspiration. It requires structure. Leadership is stewardship. When people trust you with their attention, information, payment, and personal growth, you have a responsibility to create a clear and reliable journey for them. That journey may begin with a social media post or speaking engagement. It may then move to a free resource, an email sequence, a workshop, a coaching program, or a digital course. When these pieces are disconnected, potential clients become confused. Follow-up becomes inconsistent. Opportunities are lost. The Systema.io certification program can help you understand how those pieces connect. You are not only learning where to click. You are learning how a person can move from discovering your message to receiving ongoing value from your work. Clarity comes when you move. This training gives you a structured environment in which to begin moving. How personal growth and development coaches can benefit. Personal development coaches often begin with one primary service: coaching conversations. That is valuable, but one-to-one coaching has natural capacity limits. There are only so many sessions you can conduct in a week. Learning System.io can help a coach build a wider pathway of transformation. For example, you could create a landing page for a free personal growth assessment, an automated email series that introduces your coaching philosophy, a booking funnel for discovery calls, a paid group coaching program, a self-paced course based on your signature framework, a membership or community for ongoing accountability, automated onboarding for new clients. System.io includes tools for creating course modules, uploading lessons and resources, scheduling content, adding quizzes, bundling courses, enrolling customers automatically, and monitoring learner progress. The certification helps you understand how to build these assets without depending on a different specialist for every adjustment. This does not mean you must do everything yourself forever. Delegation remains an important leadership skill. However, even when you hire support, understanding your own platform helps you communicate clearly, evaluate the quality of the work, and protect the integrity of the client experience. Your next level requires your next yes. For some coaches, that next yes is developing the technical confidence to transform their intellectual property into a repeatable digital experience. How speakers can benefit. A powerful speech should not end when the audience leaves the room. Speakers frequently invest significant energy in preparing and delivering presentations, yet fail to create a system for continuing the relationship afterward. The certification can help speakers build that system. Imagine finishing a keynote and inviting the audience to download a leadership guide. The landing page collects their details. An email sequence delivers the resource, reinforces the core message, and introduces additional ways to engage with your work. That journey could lead to a book purchase, an online masterclass, a leadership assessment, a corporate training inquiry, a group coaching program, a digital course, a future speaking engagement. Without a system, these opportunities depend on memory and manual follow-up. With a system, your message continues serving people after you leave the platform. The certification can also help speakers understand the practical side of campaign pages, email sequences, automated workflows, and digital product delivery. You are no longer treating a speaking engagement as an isolated event. You are building an ecosystem around your message. That is influence with intentionality. How digital product creators can benefit. For digital product creators, the value may be even more direct. A digital product is not only the file, course, template, or resource being sold. The complete product includes the customer journey surrounding it. How will people discover it? Where will they learn about it? How will they purchase it? What happens immediately after payment? How will they receive access? How will you follow up? How will you introduce another relevant offer later? The certification addresses the platform features needed to build these processes. System.io combines funnels, email marketing, course hosting, automation, affiliate management, and payment integrations within one environment. Its current plans include unlimited email sending, unlimited file storage, unlimited students, affiliate management functionality, and no additional platform transaction fee, although payment processors may still charge their own fees. For creators currently connecting several different applications, learning one integrated platform may reduce complexity. It may also improve your ability to test ideas. Instead of spending weeks attempting to create the perfect business infrastructure, you can build a simple version of the offer, share it with real people, collect feedback, and improve it. Perfection delays purpose. Competence creates movement. The pros of the System.io certification program. 1. It is free. There is no enrollment fee for the certification program. You can access the training using a free systema.io account. This removes a major barrier for new entrepreneurs, ministry leaders, emerging coaches, and creators who are still validating their ideas. 2. It provides structured learning. One challenge with online platforms is that users often learn randomly. They watch one tutorial about funnels, another about email, and another about courses without understanding how everything connects. The certification provides a defined path through the platform. Structure reduces overwhelm. It helps you identify what you know, what you have missed, and what you need to practice. 3. It is self-paced. There is no fixed completion deadline. You can learn around your coaching sessions, speaking schedule, work, ministry, or family responsibilities. That flexibility is valuable for leaders who cannot commit to a live training schedule. 4. It covers more than one feature. The training is designed to cover the complete platform rather than focusing only on funnel building. This gives you a broader understanding of how websites, email, automation, payments, courses, affiliates, and customer journeys work together. 5. It can strengthen your credibility. After completing the program, you receive an official systema.io certificate and can display your certified expert badge on your website or LinkedIn profile. A badge will never replace results, character, or genuine expertise. However, it can demonstrate that you have intentionally learned the platform rather than merely experimenting with it. 6. It can create an additional service opportunity. A coach, virtual assistant, funnel builder, consultant, or digital strategist could use the knowledge to help clients set up their systema.io accounts. You might offer services such as funnel setup, course migration, email automation, product launch infrastructure, membership setup, client onboarding systems. This should be approached with integrity. Complete the training, build real projects, develop evidence of competence, and serve people well. The certificate may open a conversation. Your ability to deliver results will sustain the relationship. The cons and limitations. A balanced review must also acknowledge what the certification does not provide. 1. It is platform-specific. The certification confirms knowledge of systema.io. It is not a general marketing, coaching, instructional design, or business qualification. The principles you learn may be transferable, but the credential itself is tied to one company's platform. 2. Certification does not guarantee business results. You can know how to create a funnel and still have an unclear offer. You can understand automation and still send messages that do not connect with your audience. Technology can support a sound strategy. It cannot replace one. Your results will still depend on the strength of your message, the relevance of your offer, the trust you have built, the quality of your content, and your willingness to serve consistently. 3. The credential may not be widely recognized. The badge will be most meaningful to people who already know or use systema.io. It does not carry the same recognition as a regulated professional license, an academic qualification, or a long-established industry credential. Position it accurately. It demonstrates platform proficiency, not mastery of every discipline involved in online business. 4. Self-paced learning requires discipline. The absence of a deadline is a benefit, but it can also become a weakness. It is easy to enroll, watch a few lessons, and postpone the rest. Knowledge becomes valuable when it is applied. The best approach is to build something alongside the training rather than consuming the videos passively. 5. Platforms continue to change. Digital platforms introduce new tools, interfaces, and plan structures. A certification course may not always reflect every recent adjustment immediately. The certification should therefore be seen as a foundation, not the end of your learning. 6. The platform itself will not suit every business. Learning System.io thoroughly does not mean it will automatically be the right platform for every creator. Independent review summaries generally praise its affordability and all-in-one structure, while identifying areas such as advanced analytics, design flexibility, domain configuration, and integrations as potential limitations for some users. The right tool is the one that fits your current assignment, capacity, budget, and growth requirements. How to get the greatest return from the certification. Do not complete the program merely to collect another certificate. Use it to build. Choose one real outcome before you begin. You might decide to create a lead generation funnel, launch a short course, automate client onboarding, or build a follow-up system for your speaking engagements. Then apply each relevant lesson to that project. By the time you complete the training, you should have more than a badge. You should have a working business asset. I recommend this simple approach. First, define the journey. Decide who you want to serve and what the next step you want them to take. Second, build one funnel. Do not attempt to create your entire business in a weekend. Third, create one email sequence. Focus on serving, educating, and building trust. Fourth, connect one offer. This may be coaching, a workshop, a course, a book, or a digital resource. Fifth, test the experience. Walk through the process as though you were a new customer. Check every page, email, payment, and access instruction. Consistency creates confidence. Is the System.io certification worth it? For many coaches, speakers, and digital product creators, yes. The program is free. It is comprehensive. It is flexible. It can give you a clearer understanding of the systems behind an online business. It is particularly valuable when you are new to System.io, tired of depending on disconnected tools, preparing to launch a course or coaching program, building a funnel for your speaking or consulting work, interested in supporting clients with platform setup, seeking greater confidence with digital business technology. However, enter the program with the right expectations. The certification will not create your message. It will not define your purpose. It will not automatically generate customers. It will give you tools. You must bring the vision, character, consistency, and willingness to serve. There is greatness in you. But greatness must be stewarded. Your insight needs structure. Your calling needs capacity. Your message needs a pathway through which it can reach and serve people. The System.io certification program may help you build that pathway. Explore the free certification program using the link in the video description below. Do not pursue the certificate merely to say you completed it. Pursue competence. Build something useful. Serve people with excellence. Affirm what God has spoken over you, and develop the systems required to carry it.